Hello. So in this video, we are making an assumption that you have seen a separate video that talks about the initial settings, which can be accessed through the setup here, which we have completed already. And so we have two price plans. We have a hourly parking, we have daily parking, we have space capacity defined, key storage box defined. We have check-in settings utilizing the receipt printer from the device itself. And basically that's done. Now we are talking about the check-in process, right? So upon a car arriving to your lot, you use a new arrival process. And this is basically what you can do. You have a customer name, Bob, right? You can take a picture of their driver's license. You can make notes. You can choose a price plan. Which conveniently pops up after you've selected which ones you want to work with. Let's say this guy is going on the hourly. All right. You can scan the VIN number. You can choose the properties of the car. Let's say an Acura Legend. They used to have that model. Whatever the license plate is, and then you save. Right. So now the car is added. And receipt is issued. Now, this barcode will help you then pull up this car later. Okay, but for now, once you've received the car, you're sending the customer, along with this receipt here. In the meantime, you can park the car. Okay, because you have this car right now and it is not parked anywhere, and so you can park a car by choosing the lot, right? So you can say, okay, I'm going to go down the west lot and it's going to go in a spot number 14. Okay. And then that's done. If you want, you can also store the keys, right? So this is the car that doesn't have the keys stored. That's why it pops up here. You can store a key, key box master, spot number 3. Boom, done. All right, so at this point, right, so you have the car basically completely processed in. And you can take a look at the dashboard, which will show you that you have one car. You have, there's the car. You can see where it's parked, right? And you can basically, now it's time to check out, right? And so for checkout, the customer brings you this receipt again with this barcode scanner here, and you click on the checkout button, right? And it says, okay, which one are you checking out? You can enter a ticket, click on this photo here, and scan the barcode that finds that record. It's a pretty pointless demo because we only had one record, but there it is, right? It finds that record, and now we basically have this option to, we click on this record, we go check out, and it says, okay, you owe us $25. Go ahead and hit pay. This just takes you to normal Clover function where you can, pay. Let's say they paid with cash. You can even print a receipt for them, which would look like this, right? There it is, and these receipts, and then that would be done. And it would say payment successful, and then it would tell you that the ticket number, the key box master 3, and the lot is 14. At which point you can, request a vehicle and process it out. And so that's Flex Valet. The entire functionality that I just showed you is, I believe it's like $11 a month in addition to your Clover account. So pretty cool.